In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend background in Canva. If you've ever designed something and realized you need a little more room, maybe to make a poster taller, turn a square social post into a vertical story, or simply give your layout more breathing space, extending the background is the cleanest way to do it without starting over. Begin by opening your project. Once you're inside the editor, look toward the bottom area where you'll see the page thumbnails. These are the small previews of each page in your design. Find the specific page whose background you want to extend. When you've located it, right-click directly on that page thumbnail. A context menu will appear. From that menu, choose Resize Page. This tells Canva you're changing the size of just that page, not the entire project. Next, you'll see options to pick a new size. You can go with a preset if you already know the format you want, like Common Social, Print, or presentation sizes. Presets are great when you're shifting to a standard size and don't want to guess dimensions. If you need an exact width and height, click Custom Size. Here, you can type in the precise measurements you want. Pay attention to the unit selector. Pixels are ideal for digital graphics, while inches or millimeters work well for print. If you're keeping the same proportions, you can scale both dimensions up. If you're changing proportions, expect the canvas shape to adjust, which is exactly how you create more space in one direction. Once you confirm the new size, Canva applies it immediately. Your background will extend to match the new page dimensions. If your background is a solid color or gradient, it will fill the added area automatically. If it's a photo or graphic set as the background, Canva will adapt it to the new size. Depending on the original image and the new aspect ratio, you may see more or less of the image after resizing. After resizing, take a quick look over your page to make sure everything still feels balanced. Extending the background adds room, which can subtly shift the visual weight of your layout. If you notice any empty space that you want to use, you can adjust your existing elements to take advantage of the new area, and that's it. By right-clicking the page thumbnail, choosing Resize Page, and selecting a preset or custom size, you can extend your background quickly and cleanly without rebuilding your design.